Plasma cutting is from 1957. So are rotary phones. Only one of those is still in your shop. And that's not an insult. It's a technology timeline. Plasma was revolutionary when it came out. Then it basically stopped evolving. Same mess, same smoke, same cleanup, same labor penalties. Laser didn't do that. Laser kept getting smarter. This part is AR-400 hardened steel. Real material, real production. We started with a reasonable laser strategy. Total cut time, 41 minutes. And someone said, I can do that on my plasma in 41 minutes. Okay, challenge accepted. So instead of stopping, re-piercing, re-angling, and repeating nonsense, we changed the attack. We stayed on the bevel. Continuous motion, controlled process. Result, 21 minutes total laser time. Now let's be honest. You can cut it on plasma, but it's a mess. Because plasma time doesn't stop at the cut. It keeps going, grinding, dross, smoke, labor. Plasma cuts metal, laser finishes jobs, less smoke, cleaner edges, virtually no cleanup. Plasma didn't fail, it stopped evolving. And shops that don't adapt don't stay competitive. They go extinct. If you're still defending plasma, your competitor already isn't. You don't lose jobs because you can't cut metal. You lose them because your process is slower than your competitors. Figure this out now, or watch someone else take your work. If you're still defending plasma, your competitor already isn't. You don't lose jobs because you can't cut metal. You lose them because your process is slower than your competitors. Figure this out now, or watch someone else take your work. Call PB Lasers for the advantage you don't want your competitor to have.